In this video we are going to look at using the outing function from the CZ-RTC5B remote controller. To you and me that is a night setback. So to enter we go in the top right hand corner, down arrow to number 7, we'll say outing function, press the enter button. Now just make sure the box on the right hand side has a tick in it. If it hasn't, like that, when we activate it with the right arrow, we go down to set lower upper limits, enter, and then you can set the limits that you want the unit to run at. And that's how you enter the outing function on the CZ-RTC5B.